India, a land of vibrant colors and diverse landscapes. Deep within its heart lie Bihar and Punjab, two states once renowned for their lush green forests. Imagine venturing into Valmiki National Park in Bihar. Towering sal trees form a majestic canopy, sunlight dappling the forest floor. This is the home of Bengal tigers, their stripes a blur as they stalk through the undergrowth. Now, picture the Shivalik Hills in Punjab, cloaked in emerald forests. Here, the Indian wolf with its piercing gaze patrols its territory. The air thrums with the calls of exotic birds. These forests, havens of biodiversity, are facing a grave threat: deforestation. The once thriving ecosystems are being relentlessly chipped away, leaving behind a trail of devastation. The consequences of this destruction are far-reaching, impacting not only the delicate balance of nature, but also the lives of millions who depend on these forests for their survival. The time to act is now, before these emerald jewels vanish forever, leaving behind only silence and barren lands. The symphony of destruction echoes through the forests of Bihar and Punjab. The sharp ring of axes, the roar of bulldozers, these are the sounds of deforestation. Illegal logging driven by greed is rampant. Precious timber, destined for markets far and wide, is extracted with little regard for sustainability. Agricultural expansion adds to the pressure. As the demand for food grows, forests are cleared to make way for fields. Small-scale farmers struggling to survive often resort to clearing forest land for cultivation. Urbanization too plays a role. Expanding cities encroach upon surrounding forests, swallowing up land for housing and infrastructure. The insatiable appetite for land is leaving these forests fragmented and vulnerable. With each passing day, the pressure mounts, pushing these vital ecosystems closer to the brink. The forests of Bihar and Punjab are home to a breathtaking array of wildlife. But as deforestation tightens its grip, these animals are being squeezed out of existence. In Bihar, the Bengal tiger, once the king of these forests, is now fighting for survival. With its habitat shrinking, the tiger is forced into closer proximity to humans, leading to conflict and further endangering its future. The Ganges River dolphin, a unique and endangered species, is also feeling the pressure. Deforestation leads to increased sedimentation in rivers, polluting their habitat and threatening their survival. The Indian pangolin, a shy and scaly anteater, is another victim. Hunted for its scales, which are believed to have medicinal properties, the pangolin is being pushed towards extinction. In Punjab, the blackbuck, with its spiraling horns and graceful leaps, is losing its grassland habitat to agriculture. The Indian wolf, once a common sight, is now rarely encountered, its population decimated by habitat loss and hunting. The Punjab urial, a wild sheep found only in the western Himalayas, is also threatened by deforestation and hunting. These are just a few examples of the countless species facing an uncertain future due to deforestation. Their silent screams for help must be heard before it's too late. Section 4. A land unraveling deforestation's ripple effects. The consequences of deforestation reach far beyond the loss of trees and wildlife. It's like pulling a thread from a tapestry, unraveling the delicate balance of the entire ecosystem. Soil erosion is a major problem. Trees act as natural anchors, their roots binding the soil and preventing erosion. Without them, the topsoil is washed away by rain, leaving behind barren and unproductive land. The impact on rainfall is also significant. Forests play a crucial role in the water cycle, releasing moisture into the atmosphere and regulating rainfall patterns. Deforestation disrupts this cycle, leading to erratic rainfall, droughts in some areas, and floods in others. The loss of tree cover also contributes to rising temperatures. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, from the atmosphere. Deforestation releases this stored carbon back into the atmosphere, exacerbating climate change and leading to more extreme weather events. The consequences are felt not just by wildlife and the environment, but also by humans who depend on these forests for their livelihoods and well-being. Section 5. Seeds of Hope, Restoring India's Green Glory. Despite the grim realities of deforestation, there is still hope. Across Bihar and Punjab, individuals, communities, and the government are working tirelessly to restore what has been lost. Afforestation projects are underway, with millions of trees being planted to reclaim barren lands and restore degraded forests. Local communities are playing a vital role. In villages and towns, people are coming together to protect their forests. forming forest protection committees, and raising awareness about the importance of conservation. The government is implementing policies to curb illegal logging, promote sustainable forest management practices, and encourage afforestation. There is a long road ahead, but these efforts offer a beacon of hope. By working together, we can restore India's green glory and ensure that future generations inherit a healthy and vibrant planet. Let us all pledge to be guardians of our forests, for they are not just a collection of trees but the very lungs of our planet. The time to act is now, before the silence of the lost forest becomes deafening.